Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share about preposition of time. So without wasting our time, let's get started. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss about a specific period of time, right? For example, on Monday, on a cold day, at night, at the moment, right? So let's here actually we are going to talk about prepositions of time, that's in, on, at only. We are not going to talk about all the prepositions of time. Mainly we are going to talk about in, on, at. Okay, so in order to describe these prepositions of time, we go from general to specific actually. Okay, so how we go from general to specific, let's understand with the first one. So let's talk about in. Native speakers use the preposition in to talk about longer period of time, and that's general actually, generally a longer period of time. How? Let's understand with examples. Okay, so here we have these examples. Sorry. Okay, so when we talk about parts of the day, we use in, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And whenever we talk about centuries, at the time we use in, like in 15th century. Okay, in 21st century. When we talk about weeks, we use in, like in a week, in 2 weeks, like that. When we talk about holidays, we use in, like in Easter holiday. Okay, when we talk about period of time, we use in, like in the past, in the middle ages, in 3 hours, like that. Yeah, when we talk about months, generally that's also a longer period of time. There we get a long time, like in January, in the month of December, like that. Okay, and when we talk about seasons, like seasons are also longer period of time. They take almost 3 to 4 months. Okay, like in spring, in winter, in summer, in autumn, like that. Okay, moving to the next one, that's years. When we talk about years, we use in, like in 1999. Okay, in 2010. Okay, so whenever we talk about any years, we use in. Let's moving to the next one, that's decades. When we talk about decades, we use in, like in 60s, in 90s, we use in. Okay, I hope you got it. And moving to the next one, this is on, moving to more specific period of time, the preposition on is used. Actually this is more specific, uh, as compared to the first one, that's in. That was quite general, but here we are moving from general to specific, right? And this is more specific, right? Let's understand with examples, like when we talk about any day, like Monday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Sunday. Okay, and whenever we talk about holidays with day, whenever we talk about any holiday with day, we use on, like on New Year's Day, on Christmas Day. Okay, and whenever we talk about day plus part of the day, we use on, like on Sunday morning, on Friday afternoon, on Saturday evening. Okay, moving to the next one, that's dates. When we talk about any dates, we use in, like um, on April 3rd. Okay, moving to the next one, that's a specific day. Whenever we talk about any specific day, we use on, like on my birthday. Okay, on Independence Day, on Republic Day. Those are specific days, right? moving to the next one, that's time. Whenever we talk about any time, like on the weekend, weekend also, we generally refer weekend to Saturday and Sunday, so those are also quite specific as compared to the first one that we have talked about in when we were talking about in. Okay, so whenever we have any weekend, we use on the weekend. Okay, so let's move to the next one, that's preposition of time, and this we called at. This is the last one, and this is the most specific, and understand with the examples. Okay, so whenever we talk about any clock time, whenever we talk about any of the clock time, we use at, like at 7 o'clock in the morning, at 5 p.m. in the evening, right? At 7 o'clock in the evening, like that. Whenever we talk about any clock time, we use at, because that's more specific, right? Even not more, we can say that's most specific. If I say I'm making this video at 9 o'clock in the morning, means I'm quite specific on this. Okay, so moving to the next one, that's holidays without day. Whenever we talk about any holiday and that's without day, we use at, like at Easter, at Christmas, at New Year's. I hope you got it. Moving to the next one, parts of a day. Whenever we talk about any part of the day, we use at. We were in the first one, we were talking about in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, but here at is just used for night, at night, at lunch. Lunch is like at noon. Whenever we talk about just 12 o'clock, that's more and even most specific, so we call at lunch, because that's 12 o'clock. And whenever we talk about dinner, again that's night, so at night. Okay, moving to the time, last one, that's at present, at breakfast, at the time. Okay, so these are all about preposition of time. I hope you people got it, and if you have any doubts, please let me below in the comment. I'm definitely gonna check your comment and gonna reply you for sure. Okay, so I hope you got it, whatever I have taught you right now. And if you really like this video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Gonna meet you in the next lecture. Bye for now, take care.